Welcome to Helios Education's Python for Kids 8th lesson. And today we're going to be talking about while loops. So now you already have a good understanding of for loops, I hope. So while loops are going to be a piece of cake for you, really. While loops help us repeat a piece of code until a condition is met. Remember how for loops helped us repeat stuff until a set number of times? While loops use conditions and conditional operators. Some loops can go on forever if the condition specified is never met. Let's take a look at this little example here. N is 5, and while n is greater than 0, we're going to print something and print something else. So let's say n is 0. We're going to print this. Go again. N is 0. Print this. Go again. N is still 0. Remember how in the for loop, our x variable or any variable would automatically increase by 1, or if we were iterating through a list or a word, would automatically change? Well, in a while loop, that doesn't happen because this n is not the variable inside it, and it doesn't automatically change. So because n never changes, n is always greater than 0, and this will keep printing over and over again forever till the end of time. It will never stop. To avoid this, here's a proper example of a good while loop. We have n is 5, while n is greater than 1, or this could be 0 or really anything you want it to be. We're going to print this, and we're going to decrease n by 1. So here, n is going to be 5. We're going to print lather, print rinse. N is equal to 5. Now n is 4. Is n greater than 1? Yes. We're going to print lather, print rinse. N minus 1. Now n is 3. Is n greater than 1? Yeah. Let's go again. Print lather, print rinse. Let's go again. Is n greater than 2? Is n greater than 1? Yeah. Let's go. Print lather, print rinse. N is equal to n minus 1. Now n is 1. Is 1 greater than 1? No. So we don't print anything, and we're going to exit the for loop right out, and we're going to print dry off, as we did. Very simple, very easy. While loops can also be stopped by something called break. So let's say we're going n is equal to 5. While n is greater than 1, we're going to print lather, print rinse. Okay, so let's say n is 5 right now. N is equal to n minus 1. Now n is 4. If n is equal to 2, n is not equal to 2. Go back. Now n is 4. We're going to print lather, print rinse. N is equal to 5, n is equal to 5, n is equal to 4, n is equal to 4. Print lather, print rinse, n equal to n minus 1. Is n equal to 2? Nope. N is equal to 3, n is equal to 3. We're going to do n minus 1. Is 2 greater than 1? Yep. Let's go again. Print lather, print rinse, which I think got cut off in the input. But if n is equal to 2, we're not going to print anything, and we're going to print break. So here, we should have had another line of input, and nothing else then, because after that, we just print dry off, and even though there would be more places where n is greater than 1, we don't print it, and we just go directly to dry off. And we can do the same thing for loops. So say for x in range of 5, we're going to print x. Print it. Remember, this is auto-changing. X is equal to x plus 1. Print it. X is 1. Is x equal to 3? No. Go again. X is 2. Print it. Is x equal to 3? No. Print it. Now x is 3. Is 3 equal to 3? Yes. So we break it, and even though we're not past the range, we still could have printed 4. We don't, because we have this break which stops the whole loop. It's like a period at the end of a sentence. Stop. And that's a little continuation on while loops for you. And thank you very much for listening. And don't forget to tune in.